Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Naman and today is going to be another sneaker unboxing for you all. So the sneaker I will be talking about today is one of my recent pickup. Now as you can see, it is a black Nike box. Now this is a typical Nike Air Force One box. The general release Air Force One comes in grey boxes, but the ones which are special releases comes in black boxes. Now let me quickly open the box and show you the sneakers I'm talking about. Though I'm pretty sure you've already seen them in the thumbnail. So the sneakers I will be talking about today are Nike Air Force One Psychic Blue. The shoe is named as Psychic Blue is because of this blue color that is used over here. Nike Air Force Ones are my favorite silhouette of all time. No matter what, Air Force Ones are always going to be in my collection and are always going to be my number one sneakers. These are my go-to sneakers, so whenever I have to go somewhere and I'm in doubt, I always end up wearing Air Force Ones because I love these sneakers. In fact, this is my 10th pair of Nike Air Force Ones. These are amazing. I love the way how they look on my feet. I really like the comfort. Initially when they were launched in 1982, there were only two types of shoes, formal shoes and sports shoes. These were initially basketball shoes, but very soon people started wearing these on streets, and from there the sneakers or lifestyle shoes culture started. So this is the shoe because of which everything started. Now talking about the sneakers, starting with the material, the entire shoe is built of smooth leather. Starting with the colors, the toe region is of pure white color. Coming to the middle, they have used grey color over here, and on the back they have used the Psychic Blue color, which derived the name of the shoe, Psychic Blue. They have used Psychic Blue color on a lot of other areas in the shoe as well, like the swoosh is also built of Psychic Blue color. They have used the same Psychic Blue color on the tongue, which is made of nylon, and the same blue colored flat laces as well. Now coming on the Dubre, you will see tie-dye green and grey kind of a color that they have used. It's actually very different. I haven't seen any shoes in which they have used a tie-dye Dubre. Now if you don't know, this is known as Dubre, or a lot of people also call it lace lock. Now coming to the back, again on the back they have used tie-dye color, blue and grey. Now this is a different kind of a blue here, and also it has got a Nike Air branding white color. Similarly, they have used the Nike Air branding on the tongue as well, again in the white color, and the same Nike Air branding inside the insole as well in white color. Also, the entire sock liner is the same Psychic Blue color. Now that's pretty much about the color of the sneakers. Talking about the comfort, I personally feel that Air Force Ones are very comfortable because of the thick outsole they use. Also, they have got the air technology wherein the air bubble is used over here. But generally talking about Air Force Ones, the comfort, they're probably around 6 or 7 for most of the people. And talking about the sizing, now I would definitely recommend you to go true to size. Now because the shoe has got a very wide toe area, you would not face any problem, and you can definitely go true to size. I am a US 10, slightly on the wide side, so I have taken the shoe in US 10 itself. The shoe fits really well. Now talking about the pricing, the cost is 8,295 rupees, and I've picked these up from the Nike website for full MRP. Unfortunately, there are no more sizes available in this shoe. This was sold out pretty quick. I think in around 5 or 6 days, the sizes of the sneaker were sold out on the website, and I haven't seen this particular colorway coming on any other website or any other online platform so far. If it does, and if I am able to find any of the colors or any of the sizes available, I'll definitely put the links down in the description for you guys so you can check it out. But yes, if you do find this particular color, definitely go for it. This is going to be an amazing summer sneakers. Also, this is one sneaker, because of the mix of colors that they have used, would go with almost every outfit. You can pair these sneakers up with shorts, denims, cargos, trousers, anything and everything. In fact, let me quickly show you how they look on feet so that you can get a better idea. So that's it about the sneakers. I would say that if you are new into sneakers and if you have just started collecting sneakers or buying sneakers, then I would definitely recommend you to have at least one pair of Air Force Ones. These are a must have in every sneakerhead's collection. In fact, people who have been collecting sneakers or are into sneakers for 10-20 years would definitely say that Air Force Ones are one of their all-time favorites. If you guys are new here, please subscribe to my channel. It will only take a second for you guys to subscribe, and it will help me a really long way. Also, please like my video, that helps the YouTube algorithm, and comment down below if you own any pair of Air Force Ones, or how many pair of Air Force Ones do you own in your collection. If not, would you like to try the sneakers or not? So thank you.